Well, here's a good one for all you early birds, a work-from-home job that doesn't need experience, working 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Thursday through Sunday. This job is directly off the company's careers page within their website, and it's from Trident Care. I've shared a few work-from-home opportunities with them in the past. They provide diagnostic and imaging services. Right now, they have an opening for a radiology dispatcher. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, as long as you're able to work Thursday through Monday, 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Central Time. And this is a brand new job. It was just posted October 28th. So what you'll do in this job is assist and provide direction to the field radiologic technologists so that studies are completed in a timely manner. That means you'll assign technologists to the proper general area and facilities as noted on the schedule, message technologists for stat and other orders as required. You'll communicate and report problems to your supervisor and the field supervisor, and do a whole bunch of data entry for new orders. And you'll do all that while focusing on your assigned dispatch area, but you must be aware of activity in other areas. You need to be able to work independently and with a team. You have strong customer service skills as well as solid communication, problem solving, and decision-making ability. And it's a plus, but it's not required. It's a plus you have knowledge of medical terminology. Now, if you don't have that knowledge, don't worry. In the description area, I have a link to a really good free resource where you can pick up some medical terminology. I strongly recommend you do that. And then you need all your typical soft skills you need for just about every job. You need a high school diploma or a GED or 1 year related experience and or training or equivalent combination of education and experience. So the way I read that, you don't need experience in this position as long as you have a high school diploma or a GED. You have good language skills, reasoning ability, computer skills. You have no problem completing other duties assigned by your supervisor, lead, or coordinator. You can work overtime as needed, and you're flexible with shift changes based on business needs. You also have no problem assisting with special projects. You can actively participate to recommend changes, which can create efficiencies and or process streamlining. And you must be willing to check your email daily to keep abreast of memos. As we scroll down this job description, they give us a little bit more detail of what your daily activities will entail. If you're interested in this job, go ahead and read through that. And then they just repeat all the qualifications. Now, they don't tell us how much they pay for this job, so I checked out Google's AI overview, and what I discovered is a radiology dispatcher at Trident Care can earn around $22 an hour. Now, there's absolutely no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So hopefully this job works out for you, but if not, check out this video right here. And don't forget, come back to this channel frequently. I post work from home jobs on a regular basis almost every day of the week. Good luck to all of you who apply. Thank you so much for visiting. I really appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.